If you want to become a robotics engineer but you have no idea where to start, this is the only video you need. Today, I'm breaking down a complete beginner to advanced robotics roadmap based on hundreds of real job postings from the global robotics industry. Before touching any robot, you must master the three pillars of robotics: programming, electronics, and math. You don't need to be a genius, you only need consistency. Every robot starts with a brain, and that brain is usually a microcontroller like Arduino, ESP32, STM32, or even single board computers like Raspberry Pi. Start with Arduino, then move to ESP32 for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. Then step into STM32 when you want industry-grade embedded systems. Robots are physical machines. You need to understand how to design parts, joints, and structures. The three top CAD or CAD tools used worldwide are SolidWorks, Fusion 360, and Onshape. Next, you must learn the tools that control robots in simulation and real life. These include ROS2, Gizebo, Isaac Sim, and PyBullet. If you want your robots to see and understand the world, you need computer vision. Learn OpenCV first, then move into machine learning with TensorFlow or PyTorch. All robots need precise control. You must understand sensors, actuators, PID control, kinematics, and motion planning. Robotics engineering is a huge field. You don't need to master everything. Instead, pick a specialization. Nobody becomes a robotics engineer in 1 week. But if you follow this roadmap, stay consistent, and build simple projects, you will be 100 times more skilled than someone who only watches tutorials. Start now. Your future robot is waiting for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to encourage the growth of this channel. Click that subscribe button and give me a like if you enjoyed this video, so the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to other robotics lovers and embedded system lovers. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.